how to redeem Robux gift cards on your phone. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to redeem Robux gift cards on your mobile phone. As you guys can see, I am on the iPhone 11 Pro, and I'm just going to show y'all how to redeem these cards. But before I get into that video, I just want to let y'all know that here on my channel, I do free Xbox Live Gold Code giveaways, and I also give away free Robux. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that when I do giveaways, YouTube can notify you. All right, now let me show you guys how to redeem your Robux. So first thing I'm gonna do is get up out of this app here. Let's see. All right, so here's what you want to do, guys. Just do everything I do in this video and you should be able to redeem your Robux. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to scroll over to your internet browser. So I'm looking for Google. Here's Google. So you go to Google Chrome and you're going to type in Robux.com. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just go to Robux.com, which is right there, and hit go. All right, this screen should pop up. What I'm gonna do is go to continue in browser. All right, what you want to do is log in to Roblox. All right, so let me put my username. Hold on. And let me put my password. I can't show y'all this part. Hold on. All right. All right, so they're going to make you do this human verification here. So all you're going to do is complete this by setting the pictures up right. All right, so as you can see, guys, they let me log in. Once you logged in, what you're going to do is, wait a minute, something ain't right here. This is the app. Why they take me back to the app? Hold on, guys, because they were supposed to take me to the Robux screen. Okay, Robux. So this is what we're going to do, guys, because they took me back to the app for some odd reason. What you want to do is type in Robux. So type in Roblox.com/ you want to hit this slash button here. Redeem, REDEEM. So type that in your browser and hit go, because for some reason they took me back. As you can see, guys, this screen had popped up here where it says redeem Roblox cards. This is where you're going to enter in your PIN for your Roblox or your basically the Robux card you bought from the store. Enter the PIN right here. All right. Once you enter the PIN there, you're going to hit redeem, and then it's going to show your credit balance and stuff. And basically the Robux are going to go to your account. That's why you got to log in. All right. So I don't know why they took me back to the app, but let me see something. But that's how you do it, guys. Let me just see something. Want more Robux? 10,000. I'm trying to see if I can find it in the app. Yeah, so do this. Here, this is what you guys are going to do. All right, I showed you already, but let me just show y'all again just so y'all don't get confused. What you're going to do to get the Robux, Roblox. God dang tongue twister. You're gonna go to Google Chrome or whatever your internet browser is. First, let me close my internet browser because they keep on saying that. So you open Google Chrome. You're gonna type in roblox.com slash redeem, REDEEM, and then hit enter, hit go. All right, you should be on this screen right here. All right, this is the screen you enter the codes in. It's a purchase card. You could purchase a card, or you can get Roblox credit card for. But yeah, this is where you enter your code in, and then the Robux go to your account. Now let me see if I can find this in the app though, because I showed y'all how to do it on Google, but I want to show y'all. I want to see if we can do it from the app, because I know a lot of you guys are probably just got the app and y'all probably just want to do it right inside of the app. So let me see if I can find that. But that's how you do it, guys. You just go to your internet browser, type in roblox.com/redeem, and then enter in your login information. And then once you do that, you can enter in the PIN that you had bought the code with. But let me see, Roblox. Why I'm trying to figure out how to do it from the app though. Like right inside of the app. Let me hit search, redeem. Nah, that ain't it. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can do it from inside of the app. I'm looking and I don't see a way you can do it from inside of the app. So yeah, you're gonna definitely have to log out of the app and go to Google Chrome or whatever your internet browser is. Type in Roblox. Type in roblox.com slash redeem slash redeem. All right, and then you should see this on Google. It's a code redeem. Just hit right there. All right, code redeem. Hold on, what is this? Code redeem by, what is this? It says get. Nah, I don't want to get that. I don't know why they taking me to all these different screens, guys. Hold on. Roblox.com. Let's do it again. Roblox.com slash REDEEM. All right, redeem. All right. Let's see, which one is it? Redeem promotions. Redeem virtual item. It's your toy code. That's the toy code. Robux. Redeem. How to redeem game cards. Okay, how to redeem cards on Roblox. Game cards can only be redeemed in a browser. Yeah, so it says right here you can only redeem it in the browser. So you can't redeem it in the app. This is what I was looking for, to show you guys that what I showed y'all is the real way to redeem the cards. All right. So again, guys, if this video helped you at all to on how to redeem Robux cards, Be sure to subscribe and know that I do free Roblox giveaways. I'm about to start doing Roblox giveaways on my channel. So if you want to get free Robux, then hit that red button on your hit that red subscribe button on your iPhone or your mobile phone, whatever device you on, and subscribe, because I do giveaways. Y'all don't want to miss out on that. I'll have some links in the description showing you guys how I do my giveaways. I go live on my YouTube account. So check the links in the description to see how I do my giveaways, so that you guys can have proof that all of the giveaways I do on my channel is 100% real. It's 100% authentic. Okay. So again, if you want to, let me show y'all one more time, just so y'all won't be confused. You go to your browser and you go to Roblox, Roblox.com. And what I did was go to /redeem, you know, let's see, /redeem promo codes or /redeem. They taking me to all this other stuff. I guess it's just /redeem. Let me try it again. Roblox.com /redeem. Yeah, I just hit /redeem. As you can see, this is the page you put the code in. All right, it was taking me to different pages, but this is the exact page that you're supposed to put your Roblox code in right here. It got to look like this. All right. See, redeem Roblox cards. All right. This is the page. All right. So, it's saying Roblox.com, but I just put a / and I put redeem, and then I got to this page. So that's how you do it on your mobile phone, guys. Hope this video helped you out there. And again, if you're interested in getting free Robux, then be sure to hit the subscribe button on your mobile phone or your tablet, whatever device you're on, and join my giveaways. All right. Once this channel, once this YouTube channel reach 100,000 subs, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get on here and I'm gonna buy a bunch of, Robux cards and free Xbox Live Gold Code cards, and I'm gonna just do a live giveaway. So y'all stay tuned for all of that. All right, appreciate it.